In this video, we are going to look at how to solve a quadratic using factoring. So in order to solve a quadratic by factoring, you need to have it set equal to 0 because you need to be able to use the zero product property. So in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 18 from both sides. That will get this equation to equal 0. So x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. Alright, so now that I have my quadratic all on one side of the equal sign, I'm going to solve by factoring. So I'm going to look at my constant term, which in this case is 18. I'm going to find the factors of 18, which is 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. And I'm going to figure out what factors of 18 will equal negative 3x. So negative 3x I can get by using my last factor pair, which would be 3 minus 6. So in parentheses, x plus 3 times x minus 6 equals 0. Now I can use the zero product property. So essentially what the zero product property says is it says that this can either equal 0, because 0 times x minus 6 will still be 0, or this can be 0. So if this were 0, it would be x plus 3 times 0, which also equals 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for what number those are going to be in each one. So x plus 3 equals 0. What would I need for x in order to get it to equal 0? I would need negative 3. For the other one, we have x minus 6 equals 0. I need to add 6 to both sides. So x would need to be 6. And there are my two solutions to the quadratic. X equals negative 3 and 6. There you go, you just solved a quadratic by factoring.